Cook Ethiopian food with me. So my husband is Ethiopian and he's been on an 11-day trip, and it's the longest time we've been apart since we got married. So I thought I would surprise him with some Ethiopian food when he gets home. I'm about to head out to pick up injera and kitfo meat, and I think that's it. My mother-in-law gave me some kibe and spices and stuff like that. So the guy asked me if I was Ethiopian. I'm like, no sir, no I'm not. I'm gonna make the kitfo for him tomorrow morning before I pick him up from the airport so that it's fresh, but I'm gonna pre-make everything else because I have to pick him up at like 6:30 in the morning, but it's gonna feel like dinner for him because of the time difference that he's coming from. So I think he'll be hungry, but I'm just going to do like a practice kitfo right now since it's my first time. These kombuchas are so good. I am so glad that I did a practice round of kitfo because like I was trying to just sprinkle some mita and I accidentally like dumped it in. I'm gonna still eat it. But honestly, not horrible for a first time. My friend. You know I made it, right?
You know me.
I did. I literally did.
When?
The kitfo this morning. Everything else last night.
Is it good?
You'll have to see.
I don't believe you.
I had some videos of me making everything.
Did your mommy tell you how to do it?
No, she just told me where to get the meat and the injera.
I'm not lying to you. I don't believe you.
You can like literally call her and ask, or I can show you.